Welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing about life beginning. In 3.5 billion years, life on Earth has transformed from single cells to complex multicellular organisms. Life permeates all environment on Earth and is a defining characteristic on our planet. It occurs in the biosphere, a thin layer between the upper part of Earth's troposphere and the topmost layer of porous rock and sediment. The size and nature of the biosphere has grown and changed over time, as has the relationship between organic and inorganic element in the biosphere. In the beginning, the conditions on Earth were limiting, and the first cell formed from molecular building blocks reflected this. Early organisms were single-celled prokaryotes, such as bacteria that lacked a defining nucleus. 1.5 billion years later, eukaryotes such as amoebas appeared, a single-celled organism that possess a bounded nucleus and rely on oxygen to function. These two categories of cells have persisted through time in an unbroken sequence, while also evolving into the myriad and astrologically diversified life form found on the planet today. Humans should not view as the culmination of life on Earth. Like all situations involving natural selection, the pathway that led to Homo sapiens was not predetermined but variables. A sequence of many favorable circumstances were necessary for the human species to evolve. Had not a cataclysmic event occurred some 65 million years ago, dinosaurs still might be the dominant vertebrate on the planet, as they had been on the 100 million years during which they coexisted with early mammals. If one group of organisms is to be singled out for its longevity and adaptability, it is bacteria. Bacteria have been here since the beginning and in all livelihood will be here at the end. Photosynthesis is a life process powered by the sun. Directly or indirectly through the food chain, it fuels most life on Earth. Photosynthesis is carried out by the green plants and some type of algae, as well as by cyanobacteria, formerly known as new green algae, and related organisms, which are responsible for most of the photosynthesis in ocean. In the process of photosynthesis, plants capture sunlight and absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The light and CO2 combines with water brought in by plant growth. The end product is sugar, food for the planet. A waste product is oxygen, respired out through the plant leaves. Thus, plants use it to carbon dioxide that animals breathe out and provide the oxygen that animals breathe in.